Hi, this is Zoe from Carepatron, and today I will be guiding you through how to use our Hare Psychopathy checklist. Firstly, what is psychopathy? Psychopathy is a multifaceted and severe personality disorder that manifests through various behavioral and emotional patterns. The person frequently exhibits impaired empathy and remorse due to their persistent antisocial behavior. These deficits can manifest as bold, disinhibited, and egotistical behaviors. Often individuals diagnosed with psychopathy may display a superficial charm, appearing charismatic and friendly to those around them. However, beneath this engaging facade lies a lack of genuine emotion and an inability to connect with others. What makes psychopathy particularly challenging is its complex nature and the fact that it doesn't fit neatly into one category. It's a severe personality disorder and can have serious implications for various aspects of life, including relationships and careers. In some cases, psychopathy may even lead to criminal behavior. The Hare Psychopathy checklist offers an objective and structured approach to understanding a complex personality disorder. To use our free Hare Psychopathy checklist, follow these steps. Download our Hare Psychopathy checklist from the Carepatron platform, which you can find in the link in the description. Firstly, understand the checklist. Before administering the PCLR, it is essential to familiarize yourself with its structure and guidelines. Comprising 20 items, each rated on a 3-point scale, the Hare Psychopathy checklist provides a comprehensive framework for assessing psychopathy. Conduct the assessment. Examples of some of the 20 items are pathological lying and deception, callous or lack of empathy, impulsivity, and irresponsible behavior. Upon completing the assessment, carefully interpret the scores using the provided guidelines. The findings from the Hare Psychopathy checklist should be utilized to guide further clinical or legal actions depending on the context. Here is a sample of our Hare Psychopathy checklist, which you can find on our Carepatron platform. To find our Hare Psychopathy checklist, go to our Carepatron platform or click on the link in the description. In our template section, we have a variety of templates and worksheets for you to use with your patients. You can filter or type in the keywords to find the worksheet. Thank you for watching our video at Carepatron. If you enjoyed this video, give us a like. If you would like to see more videos like these, subscribe to our Carepatron channel or click on one of our recommended videos.